Hey there fellow YouTubers, and welcome to the ultimate guide on how to skyrocket your subscriber count. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to reaching your first 100 subscribers on YouTube? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm spilling all the juicy tips and tricks that will have your channel bursting with subscribers in no time. From mastering the art of eye-catching thumbnails to unleashing the power of collaboration, we're leaving no stone unturned in this ultimate guide. From 0 to 100 subscribers, we're going to make it happen. So, grab your notepads, buckle up, and let's dive into this epic journey together. Step 1. Define your niche. The first key to success on YouTube is finding your niche. Determine what you're passionate about and what you can consistently create content around. This will help you attract like-minded viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. Step 2. Content strategy. Now that you have your niche, it's time to plan your content strategy. Consistency is key on YouTube, so aim for a regular upload schedule that suits your availability. Make sure your videos are well-researched, engaging, and provide value to your viewers. Remember, the more value you offer, the more likely people will subscribe and share your channel. Step 3. Optimize your channel. To grow your subscriber base, optimize your channel. Start with an attention-grabbing channel banner and a captivating channel trailer. Craft a compelling channel description that clearly explains what viewers can expect from your content. Don't forget to use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to enhance your discoverability. Step 4. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing potential viewers see when browsing YouTube. Create eye-catching, high-quality thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content. Use bold, readable text and vibrant visuals to entice viewers to click. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Building a community is crucial on YouTube. Respond to comments, engage in discussions, and show appreciation for your viewers' support. This interaction helps foster a loyal audience base and encourages viewers to subscribe, as they feel connected to you and your content. Step 6. Collaborate with others. Collaborations are a fantastic way to gain exposure and grow your subscriber count. Reach out to other creators in your niche and propose collaboration opportunities. Joint videos or shoutouts can introduce your channel to a new audience and increase your chances of gaining subscribers. Step 7. Promote your channel. Promotion plays a vital role in gaining your first 100 subscribers. Leverage social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to share your videos and engage with potential viewers. Participate in relevant online communities, forums, and even consider creating a website or blog to further promote your channel. Step 8. Utilize YouTube SEO. Understanding YouTube's search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for attracting viewers. Research and use relevant keywords in your video titles, tags, and descriptions. Additionally, consider creating playlists to increase watch time and improve your video's visibility in search results. Step 9. Analyze and adapt. Regularly analyze your YouTube analytics to gain insights into your viewership patterns. Pay attention to which videos perform well and try to replicate that success in future content. Adapt your strategy based on viewer feedback and keep improving to provide the best possible content for your audience. And finally, Step 10. Stay persistent and patient. Lastly, remember that growing your subscriber count takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay persistent, keep creating quality content, and remain patient. Consistency and perseverance will eventually pay off. And that brings us to the end of this ultimate guide on how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube. I hope you found these tips helpful and are ready to embark on your YouTube journey. Remember, it's all about finding your niche, creating valuable content, and engaging with your audience. So, best of luck to you all. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.